my daughter Ruhani, and she is doing her third module at CodingZen. Earlier, when we came to know about the course, and my husband told her about the course, she was like, "Papa, I'm not going to join this course. You know that I hate computers." But somehow we convinced her, "Beta, it's good. You just join this course." After taking few sessions, she really enjoyed the course and the method, the playful method they are using to teach the children. And she don't mind traveling to 2 hours to join for this class. I think I would like to thank the CodingZen and all the teachers, a computer hater to begin a program. Thank you so much.